Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. Sarah, why are you hiding?
I am not hiding, Adam. I am just quiet.
You usually talk a lot. What happened?
I feel bad. Yesterday, I met a man. He asked for directions.
Did you help him?
I tried to help him.
What did you say?
I said, go straight and turn right.
That's good English.
But he said, sorry?
Really?
Yes, I said it again. He said, I don't understand.
Ah, I see.
It was terrible, Adam. I know the words in my head, but when they come out of my mouth, they sound wrong.
You have a problem with pronunciation.
Pronunciation?
Yes, pronunciation means how we say the words. It is the sound of the language.
I know, but why is my pronunciation bad? I read English books every day.
That is the problem, Sarah.
Reading is a problem?
Reading is great for your eyes, but it does nothing for your mouth.
My mouth?
Yes, today I will tell you a scientific fact that will change your life. Are you ready?
I am ready. Please help me fix my accent.
Okay, here is the fact. Speaking English is a physical sport.
A sport, like football or tennis?
Exactly like football.
Adam, you are crazy. English is a language. It is in the brain.
No, Sarah. The words are in the brain, but the sound comes from your body.
My body?
Specific parts of your body. Your tongue, your lips, your jaw, your throat. These are all muscles.
Muscles, like in my arm?
Yes, muscles are the parts of the body that move. When you go to the gym, you train your arm muscles to lift heavy things.
Okay.
When you speak, you use your mouth muscles. Now, here is the secret. Your mouth has muscle memory.
Muscle memory? What does that mean?
Muscle memory means your body remembers how to move without thinking.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes.
Do you think about your legs when you ride? Do you think left leg down, right leg up?
No, I just ride. My legs just know what to do.
Exactly. That is muscle memory. Your legs remember the movement.
Okay, but what about English?
Your mouth also has muscle memory, but right now, your mouth has your native language muscle memory.
My native language muscle memory?
Yes, your tongue knows how to move to make the sounds of your native language. It is strong in your native language.
And for English?
For English, your tongue is weak. It is like a baby. It doesn't know where to go.
So, when I try to say an English word, my tongue uses my native language movement?
Exactly. And that is why you have an accent.
Accent. That is the way I sound, right?
Yes, an accent is when you use the sounds of your first language to speak a second language.
So, reading books doesn't help?
No, you can read a book about football for 10 years. Will you be a good player?
No, I must play on the field.
Correct. And you can read English books for 10 years. Will you have good pronunciation?
No, I must move my mouth.
Bingo! You need to take your tongue to the gym.
Ideally, I should travel to America or England, right, to practice?
That is the best way. But can you travel to America today?
No, I don't have money and I have a job here.
So are you stuck? Is it impossible?
I hope not. Is there a solution for people who cannot travel?
Yes, there is one solution. It is used by spies, it is used by actors, and it is used by the best language learners.
Spies and actors? Tell me, what is it?
It is called the shadowing technique.
Shadowing? Like a shadow on the ground?
Yes, think about your shadow. When you walk, does your shadow wait?
No, it moves with me at the same time.
Exactly. Shadowing means you listen to a native speaker and you speak with them at the same time.
Wait, I repeat after them? Like you speak, silence, then I speak?
That is the old way. That is called repeat after me. That is too slow.
So I speak while you are speaking?
Yes, almost at the same time. You are only 1 second behind me. You mimic my voice.
Mimic? What does that mean?
To mimic means to copy exactly. You copy my speed. You copy my emotion.
Why is this better than repeating?
Because when you wait and repeat, your brain has time to think. And when your brain thinks, it goes back to your native language rules.
Ah, so if I speak with you, I don't give my brain time to make a mistake.
Exactly. You force your mouth muscles to follow my muscles. You are training the muscle memory.
This sounds intense. Does it really work?
Yes, research shows it is the fastest way to change your accent, but you have to do it loud.
Loud? Can I do it in my mind?
No. Remember the gym? Can you lift weights in your mind and get big muscles?
No, I have to lift the real weights.
So, you must speak loud. Your mouth must move. Your throat must vibrate.
Okay, I want to try this shadowing technique, but I don't have a native speaker living in my house.
You don't need one. You have Snack English.
Our channel again?
Of course, we have a special playlist called Shadowing Practice.
Yes, I saw it. It has many sentences.
In those videos, we leave a small space for you, but the goal is to speak with us.
Can we try an example right now?
Yes, let's try a difficult sound, the R sound.
The R. I hate this letter. In my language, R is strong. Rrr.
In English, R is soft. Your tongue does not touch the top of your mouth.
Okay, let's try.
I will say a sentence, you say it with me. Don't wait. The sentence is, are you ready to run?
Are you ready to run?
Too slow. You waited for me to finish. Be a shadow.
Okay, I will try again.
Are you ready to
Are
run?
you ready to run?
Better. Did you feel your tongue?
Yes, it felt strange. It felt different.
That is the feeling of exercise. That is your mouth learning a new position.
Wow, it is really physical.
Yes, if your mouth hurts a little bit after practicing, that is good. It means the muscles are working.
How much should I practice?
10 minutes a day. That is enough.
10 minutes only?
Yes, but every day. Remember the gym rule? Consistency.
Consistency, yes.
If you do this for 30 days, your friends will be shocked. They will ask, did you travel to America?
And I will say, no, I just went to the Snack English gym.
Exactly. So stop reading for a moment. Stop writing grammar rules. Open your mouth and speak.
I promise I will start today.
Good. For everyone watching, go to our shadowing playlist now, choose a video, and start training your muscles.
Don't be shy. Speak loud.
We will see you in the next workout. I mean, the next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.